Hi there, I'm Mary and this is Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am making macaroni and cheese in the slow cooker, and I'm adding a couple extra things to make it a little bit more nutritious, to take away a tiny bit of the guilt. I am starting off with, this is 12 ounces of elbow macaroni that I par cooked. And what I mean by that is I partially cooked it. And if it says whatever macaroni you're using, whatever type of pasta you're using, you can use just about any short pasta. Cook it halfway. This said 10 minutes, so I cooked it for 5. If you don't cook it at all, it gets real starchy in here. And if you cook it too much, it's of course going to get too soft and yucky. So we put that in there. Now I've got 2 eggs. I'm going to add to this 1.5 cups of whole milk, but use whatever milk you have. Half of a stick or 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. This is about a cup of grated cauliflower. I'm putting cauliflower in here. Nobody's gonna know it's in there. It's gonna cook. It's gonna get all soft. It's gonna taste just like the macaroni and the cheese. So don't worry about it. We're adding a little bit of nutrition, so there's a little bit less guilt. This is about a cup, about 1/4 of a good-sized head of cauliflower. Optional. This is a jalapeno pepper that I finely diced. Okay, that was just one, and that's optional. Then we have my 1.5 cups of whole milk and two eggs that I stirred together. You're going to stir this up, get everything nicely combined. Now we're going to add pepper to taste, and this is on you, however much you want, half a teaspoon, whatever you like. And then this is going to be a little bit of salt, just a little bit, because I actually salted my macaroni as I was cooking it. This is a tablespoon of no salt seasoning. Another thing that's completely optional. If you have seasoning salt you'd rather use, go ahead and toss that in there. Now I want to mix all these ingredients. Get those nicely incorporated. Now I have about 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese and about a cup of mozzarella cheese. Truth is, I normally don't put mozzarella cheese in my macaroni and cheese. I'm not against that, I just don't normally do that, but I just made some a few days ago, and so I'm using that. But use whatever kind of cheese you have. You want about 3 cups. Okay, so I'm going to put all of the mozzarella cheese is going in, and most of the cheddar cheese, but I'm going to save a little bit for the top. Okay, and we're going to stir that in. Now, isn't that the craziest thing? We're making macaroni and cheese in the slow cooker, and I'm done with everything I'm going to do. The slow cooker's going to do the rest. Last of this on top here. I'm just putting it on top just so that it's cheesy on top. You don't have to do that. You can mix it all in, and I have actually done that because I forgot to do it, to hold it back. So, you know, don't worry about it. If you toss it all in there, it's no big deal. Okay, this is going to go on low for 3 to 3.5 hours. We'll check it at 3 hours and see how it is, and then if it needs to go another half an hour, then we'll let it go. But this is done, and this is our side dish for tonight. Come back in 3 hours. Well, come back in 2 seconds, but it'll be 3 hours later once I see you again. As promised, we have macaroni and cheese. Wait till you see this. It's so good. Mmm. This is really, really good, you guys. Thanks for watching today. I appreciate you. I hope you try this at home, and if you do, be sure to let me know how you like it. Take care now.